back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to download free Landsat satellite images from the USGS Earth Explorer website. This video is perfect for beginners in remote sensing GIS and environmental research. Let's get started. First, go to your browser. Here you simply type USGS Earth Explorer, then click on it. After open this website, to download the data, you need a free USGS account. Now click the login option. If you are new user, then create an account. I have already an account that is showing. That is show here. Continue my account. Okay, my account is open. Now in the search bar, address and place. Here simply you search your study area. My study area is Sambalpur. Click on show option. After that, scroll down. Here, show my study area. Click on it. Zoom it. Here, you draw a rectangle of your study area. Yes, it is done. After that, you specify your date range. I will download the image 2022 January to December. Here, my date range is selected. After that, go to dataset. Oh, sorry, here is some problem. Go to dataset. In the dataset, here you look Landsat, click on it. After click on it, Landsat collection to level 1. Here you show the defined Landsat images. I have downloaded Landsat 8, 9, OLI and TIRAS. Check it. Then select the result. You will see, you will see a list of available images for your selected area and dates. Click on a small timeline to preview the image. This is the image preview. One thing is remember, when you going to download, check the cloud cover is lower is better. Here the land cloud cover is 0%. It is good for your study. Always remember the cloud cover is less than 10. It is good for the study. Click on footprint. Here is show the Landsat image overlap your study area. Now simply click on download option. Click data product option. If you need all the images, click on download product. It is started. I have already downloaded this map, so I will push it. Now I will show you how to open this image. How to open this image on ArcGIS. Open ArcGIS software. Here you add your downloaded Landsat image. If you add any kind of specific band, I will add band 10. Okay. Thank you guys. Keep watching, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.